right.
It's doing the circle.
Hello. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, who are we lecturing on today?
Alexander the Great.
Very good. And Alexander the Great was king of where? Where did he come from?
Macedonia.
Very good. He came from Macedonia. And do you remember who his father was?
Philip II.
Very good. And do you remember who his teacher was? His teacher? His tutor?
Aristotle.
Aristotle. You remember it. That's right. Aristotle was his teacher. And then we also know he conquered a lot of area. Do you remember what areas he conquered?
Asia Minor.
Good.
Egypt.
Good.
Mesopotamia.
Very good.
Persia. India.
Yeah, he gets to India. He doesn't really conquer India, but he gets all the way there. So there was a lot of regions he got. And do you remember the Persian Emperor he defeated?
Darius III.
Excellent. Darius III. And then he also set up a whole bunch of new cities, and they were all called?
Alexandria.
That's right. He named them all after himself. The most famous one was in Egypt, who had a big library. And then do you remember what happened after he died? What happened to his big empire?
It all fell apart.
That's right. It all fell apart to a whole bunch of pieces. He was only 32 years old, and it all fell apart. And that's a very brief explanation of what happened to Alexander. All right. Say bye.
Bye.